Oh, wow!
Hi, baby.
They're offensive today. Okay, now you gotta do it without your hand curled up. Yeah, I was trying to get him to sit on my arm, but he doesn't want to do it. No, no, no. Ow, 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 ow! Ah, there's my finger.
Oh, here comes another one.
Hey,
baby.
Ooh, we got a group of them. He might evolve to kill us all. Yeah, this guy is the really tough one.
Does it hurt? He's biting me.
If he gets a good grip on something, it does.
My pigeon man dream.
Walk around.
Yeah. I can finally fulfill it. These guys.
So they know who he is. Because they're coming in danger, they want to track them and monitor them.
I want to try it. It won't hurt.
He'll bite you.
I'll freak out.
Yeah.
I'm going to freak out.
I want him to land on my hat.
I want him to land on Christian's head. Yeah, put your head down and let them attack your head.
That was probably his left.